Look, doing this program, I now know what it's like when your soul starts to sing. It's just awesome knowing that this is something that I've been wanting to do for years, but always thought I needed to have, more technical capabilities. I needed to be able to, have fundamental analysis, and the list goes on. Having done this program, I can now sense that, yep, I've got this.
Well, from a family perspective, it's just a way to make a living. Most people out there, Alex is an art student right now, 19 years old, has no idea how he will make a living in this world. And we're showing him the way.
That's what I'm worried about, housing.
Yeah, he's already whinging about the housing market. So we're showing him a way to make a living.
I like the fact that right from the start you said that if you don't understand anything, you can always repeat the course, and the whole aspect of that was appealing because I've done other courses before where you basically go through the content and then you just throw into the wolves after that. So that was probably the main thing for me.
Oh, there's so many things actually. I liked the way that we could all get together and contribute to the answering of the questions in the posts. The technical knowledge was great. I think the best thing for me though was the mindset, being able to look at things from a different perspective, and that's resulted in me being much calmer and clearer about everything. It's surprising just taking some of the things away from the mental program, how you can apply that to different parts of your life as well.
I absolutely loved it. It was one of the best rides of my life, and I'm still enjoying that journey. And I'd like to encourage people they have their goals, but just be very flexible in the program, and that's what I did. I relaxed into the process, and if it took me one way, I went with it. And I realised that one of the most important parts of the program was your support, Chris's support, and that of the buddy system, that there are people out there that can help you, because this is quite an isolated solo journey, and it's full of self-discovery.
Well, I'd suggest anyone from whatever level of experience they have will find some benefit somewhere in the program. If they're very experienced, they'll probably find some little aspect or nuance that suits them, and if they're not experienced, then they're going to learn a hell of a lot. The ongoing support is excellent. You can ask as many questions as you want. You have the alumni forum. You've got access to a lot of more experienced people with more knowledge, and which is exactly what you need as a trader. That's perfect.
Definitely do the mentor program. It opens up a part of your life that you just don't know. When I first came into the program, I had certain ideas about how I would conduct myself, and I said that I was really interested in knowing who I am as a person and who I would become after the program. And it's often much more different. It's different than what you think. So I'm going to be able to get financial independence, but when I think of the three things that Chris taught us, to stop getting in the way of your own progress, to relax into the process, and that it's 90% psychology, I thought, if I can get my head right, then I can get financially independent by being able to trade.